The Atlas 2.0 comes in a stylish black box. Inside the box you'll find the helmet in a cool bag, a spare tinted visor which is pinlock ready, a pinlock insert in a cool cloth bag, a multi-tool to fit the Bluetooth shockwave system, some stickers, a poster, and on the back of the poster are the instructions. So let's take a look at the lid. Welcome folks, and this week we're talking about this, the Ruroc Atlas 2.0. Straight out the gate, little bit of disclosure, this helmet was supplied free by Ruroc. I'm not being paid for this, but I did get the lid for free. So, what's new about the Atlas 2.0? Well, as you can see, what do you think of the design? I love it. I think it's one of the best looking lids out there, to be perfectly honest with you. I like to be different, hence why I rode a Jigsaw around the world. But I do like something that's a little bit different. I like the peak on my Shoei, on the Shoei Hornet Adventure. I love that lid, I've had that for 4 or 5 years. So I've got to say, when Ruroc approached me about doing a review on this, I thought to myself, it's not got a peak. I don't know if I'm going to like that. I don't know if it will be the lid for me. But look at this styling on this thing. It's got like a sculpted nose to it, can you see? I love it, and it's got these real chiseled chin sort of vents down the side here, a bit like my own chiseled chin features. I love the styling of it, I really do. So what's new on the Atlas 2.0? Well, first off, it's carbon, so it's a lot lighter. Not sure of the exact weight, I'll put it up now, but it feels really light. It feels good, solid construction. The visor system it has here, it's got quick release, no tool visor release system. There's literally just two little screws that you have to undo. It's a quarter turn, off it comes. Look at the size of the wide angle viewing area you have there. Wide angled viewing area, get me. The visor itself locks into several different ratchet positions, so right at the top, another one there, another one there. You can also have it so it's just cracked open, and then it snaps shut and it locks shut. There's a little sort of ball there, a little nobule, and that will lock the lid shut. Vent wise, we've got chin vents here, which you can open and close from the inside. There's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different vent areas there, plus the 2 at the side here. Now this lid is supposed to be even quieter apparently. I think the original one had some problems with wind noise going to the ear. Apparently these new vent systems, the orientation of it, that sorts all that out. So that'll be interesting to see, especially with the comm system put in. Now, comm system. Ruroc do the shockwave comms system. Now this integrates very nicely with the lid, and there's just a little compartment here which you can just slip out and then slide in the cartridge for the shockwave system. As you can see, that's the system there, so you get the cartridge system itself. That literally just slots straight into the back of the helmet. And with that you get your 2 headphones and the mic, which can stick right to the front of your lid. It's not a comm system, it's purely to connect to your phone, your GPS, that sort of stuff. So you can listen to music on the go, you can answer your phone, but you cannot connect to other bikes. I think that is going to be an update in the future. I hope it will be. So for now, I'm not going to fit that to that helmet because I have the Cardo Packtalk Bold, which I integrate into there, and I need that to do the joint vlogs and things like that. This helmet features a new buckle system. It's called the magnetic buckle system. So as you can see, I mean, it's a really, really secure fastening. However, to take it off, all you do is pull that tab and then it fits together. I should be able to do this with one hand. So you just pull the tab, comes off, back on. It is that simple, and it really is good. If you do have an accident and you fall down, a lot of helmets now have this quick release system. You pull on these tabs and it releases the cheek pads, and it just makes the helmet much easier to take off. If you've not done Biker Down in the UK, and you may well have that in your country of origin, I thoroughly recommend doing a little bit of first aid, which is biker specific. They teach you how to remove a helmet safely if you have to. The best idea is to always leave the helmet on a casualty if you come across one. However, sometimes it has to come off if you have to start CPR, things like that. Worst case scenario. And they'll teach you how to take the helmet on and off in the most safest way possible. And with these quick release tabs, it makes that job so much easier. And what's it like to fit? Well, let's go. You know when you make your bed and you get into a freshly made new bed? Oh, I love that feeling. I'll just tuck my beard out the way. And that's it done. Take it off, put it back on, click, it's in. And that is firmly on now, that will not come off. Take off, just pull the tab, put it back on, done. Simple as. So, as you can see, not a bad fit. I really like the design of this lid, and it comes in loads of different designs. Hiya! Now the helmet is fully safety stamped up. It's all DOT approved, it meets all the relevant kite marks that will be required for road use and for track use, so you are fully ready to go. I get asked all the time, how do I set up my helmet for vlogging with the cameras, with the mics, everything like that, and integrate the comm system. So with a brand new helmet, I'm going to be doing that in one of the vids coming soon, so keep your eye out for that. The visors themselves come pin lock ready. Don't know what pin lock is? Check this out. So, how to fit a pin lock to a visor. To start with, you need to have a visor that is pin lock ready, which means it has these little nobules on either side, those there. Now if your visor hasn't got them, you can drill your own, you can get the kit, but I don't advise that. Pin lock itself has two sides. There's the flat side here, which goes towards your face, and then the inside, you can see there, it's just a slightly raised sort of silicon bead that runs all the way around. That, the bead part, has to go against the inside of your visor. You can see these lug things here, they clip round those little nobules and it'll sit inside your visor like that. It's really easy to do. Just lay your visor on a cloth or something. I still have the protective coating on this. I'm saying it's really easy to do, but it's actually quite tough to do with one hand. So secure one end there around the nobules. So what you have to do is straighten it right out, really flatten it out like that, slide in the pin lock, and then once it's in, it should be snug right around the bottom here. There's a slight crease here, but that's on this little protective lining. So then once it's in, there's not a coating on the other side, but double check when you get your pin lock that there isn't one of these on the other side. There isn't on this one. So once it's in, you can just pull that protective coating off. Beautiful. It's like a new phone. Is it fitted? And that will not steam up, hopefully. Now you can have one of these completely free thanks to Ruroc. All you need to do is head over to my Instagram, link down below. Look for the post featuring the Ruroc Atlas 2.0 giveaway and do what it tells you to do. Best of luck! A huge thanks to Ruroc for supplying me with this lid. I'm really looking forward to the adventures we're going to be having together this year. Right folks, make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave a like for the vid and leave your comments down below. If you're not a member of the clan as yet, head on over to the Patreon. Your support is very much appreciated. Again, a huge thanks to Ruroc. You keep on doing what you're doing folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Look after yourselves and live your life. And leave your comments down below.